Hello to you, I'm Sagie for OctaSec, and today we're going to dive into one of the most shocking cyber attacks in Israel. The ransomware the ransomware incident that paralyzed Hillel Yaffe Medical Center in 2021. This was the story, what happened and how did it happen and what we can learn from it. It was a regular morning in the hospital, doctor mid-shift, system running, and suddenly everything crashed. Screen go dark, medical record vanish. Staff moved back to paper, from forms and telephone, fighting to keep patient alive without a digital system. This was real, not a drill, not a simulation. In October 2021, Hillel Yaffe Medical Center in Hadera, Israel, was hit by a ransom attack that took down nearly every IT system. The hospital switched to manual operation mode, and it was one of the Israel's most severe cyber incident in the healthcare sector. The investigation believed that the attack gained access through phishing email or exposed RDP. Somebody better don't close the session correctly or something like that. Whilst inside, they moved laterally, exploiting eternal trust and share permissions. Within hours, Active Directory, file storage, and key medical system were encrypted. Many experts linked the attack to Lockbit or Black Hat ransomware. Let's break down the timeline. Night, suspicion login were detected. Morning, system started to fail. By midday, total lockdown. In that evening, the CERT IL confirmed ransomware. Over the following days, national cyber teams were deployed to assist. The hospital was disconnected completely from the internet and to stop the spread, and CERT IL and the Ministry of Health coordinated response. The war room was created within the IT and cyber, and even the IDF specialist management decided not to pay the ransom. Instead, they rebuilt from scratch. Recovery took several weeks. The consequence was severe. Appointment canceled, imaging unavailable, patient was transferred to insured. Millions of shekels were in damage, and public concern over the digital health and private grew dramatically. Technically, in this case, changed everything. Hospitals across Israel learned from the two separate clinics, administrative and external networks. Offline backups become mandatory. SOC monitoring and zero trust access policy are now standard 24/7. And the most important, every hospital must run incident response drill. Very good. National takeaway. The healthcare was a high-value, low-damage sector. The healthcare was high-value and low-defense sector, and many systems will rely on outdated operation system and protocols. Israel needs a national cyber health policy and closer collaboration between the CERT IL and the Ministry of Health and private vendors. Doctors and nurses work without system and writing in hand and delaying treatment. This attack wasn't just about data; it was about people, and it's remind us that cybersecurity isn't only IT; it's a human mission. The Hillel Yaffe ransomware attack was a wake-up call. If it can happen in a hospital, it can happen anywhere. And the faster that we detect, respond, and recover, the better chances to survive. This was a breakdown brought to you by OctaSec, a real story from Israel's cyber frontier. And subscribe for more deep dive analysis and lab demos and real world lessons from the trenches. I'm Sagie, and see you in the next time. Give us a subscribe, give us a like, and see you next week.